all class 4. Today we will do exercise 6.5 on page number 92. Now look at page number 92. Number 1. Fill in the blanks with greater than, smaller than or equal to. Now look at those figures. A, 3 parts out of 4 is shaded, and in the second one part out of 4 is shaded. Now which one is big? 3 upon 4 or 1 upon 4? So 3 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. Second one there. B, 1 part out of 3 parts are shaded, and in second one 2 parts out of 3 parts are shaded. Now which one is big? 1 upon 3 or 2 upon 3? So 2 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 3. You have to put the correct sign. Now number 2 also, with the help of the number 9, fill in the blanks with greater than or smaller than. Now look at question number 3. Fill in the blanks with greater than, smaller than or equal to. Now this one, look here. Now fill in the blanks with greater than, smaller than or equal to. Now 4 upon 5 is greater than or smaller than 2 upon 5. Since the denominators are same, so the fraction having bigger numerator is bigger. So 4 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Now B, 1 upon 7 is greater than or smaller than 5 upon 7. Here also the denominators are same, so the fraction having bigger numerator is bigger. So that means 1 upon 7 is smaller than 5 upon 7. C, 2 upon 9 is greater than or smaller than 6 upon 9. Denominators are same, so number having smaller numerator will be smaller. So 2 upon 9 is smaller than 6 upon 9. Now D, 5 upon 8 is smaller than or greater than or equal to 5 upon 8. Denominators are same, numerators are same, so it is equal. Now E, 3 upon 4 is greater than or smaller than 1 upon 4. Denominators are same. Now look at the numerator. 3. 3 is bigger than 1. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. F, 3 upon 11 is greater than or smaller than 9 upon 11. Denominators are same. Numerator 3 is smaller than 9. So 3 upon 11 is smaller than 9. Now question 4. Fill in the blanks with greater than or smaller than or equal to. Now look here. 1 upon 3 is greater than or smaller than 1 upon 2. Here the denominators are different and the numerator is same. When the numerator is same and the denominators are different, the fraction having smaller denominator is the biggest and the fraction having bigger denominator is the smallest. So 1 upon 3 is big. This 3 is bigger than 2. So this is smaller. 1 upon 3 is smaller than 1 upon 2. Here also numerators are same and denominators are different. So which denominator is less? 6. So 5 upon 6 is greater than 5 upon 7. C, 3 upon 8 and 3 upon 8, 3 upon 5. The numerators are same, denominators are different. Now 5 and 8. 8 is bigger than 5. So the denominator bigger means it is smaller. So 3 upon 8 is smaller than 3 upon 5. Now D, 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 11. So numerators are same, denominators are different. Here is 9, here is 11. So which denominator is 9? So 4 upon 9 is greater than 4 upon 11. Now E, 7 upon 9 and this one is 7 upon 13. Now numerators are same, denominators different. 8 and 13, which is small. 8, denominator 8 is small, so 7 upon 8 is greater than 7 upon 13. Now F, 9 upon 17 and 9 upon 12. Now numerators are same, denominator different. 17 here is 12. So 17 is more than 12. That means this is small. 9 upon 17 is smaller than 9 upon 12. Now question number 5. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. Now look at question A. 5 upon 6, 4 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. Here all the denominators are same. Denominators are same. 6, 6, 6. Now when the denominators are same and the largest numerator will be the biggest and the smallest numerator will be the smallest. Now, ascending order means small to big. Now, 5, 4 and 1, which is smallest? 1. Now, 1 to 5 and 4, which is small? 4 and last one, 5. 1 upon 6, 4 upon 6 and 5 upon 6. Now, look at this B. 3 upon 5, 3 upon 11, 3 upon 7. Now here the denominators are different, only the numerators are same. So when the numerators are same and denominators are different, the fraction having the biggest denominator is the smallest, and fraction having the smallest denominator is the biggest. Here we know the numerator, all the numerators are 3. Now which fraction has got the largest denominator? That is the smallest one. There is 5, 11 and 7. So which is biggest? 11. 11 is the smallest. Now 11 finished. Now 5 and 7. Which is big? 7. And last one 5. So 3 upon 11, 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 5. So when the denominators are different and numerators are same, the fraction having the largest denominator is the smallest. Okay. Now C. 3 upon 7, 6 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. Now here, what is same? Denominator 7, 7, 7. When the denominator is same, the fraction having the smallest numerator will be the smallest and the fraction having the largest numerator will be the biggest. Now smallest here is 3, 6 and 5 which is small, 3. And 6 and 5 which is small, 5 and last one is 6. Now question D. Now 5 upon 9, 5 upon 6, 5 upon 12. Now here the numerators are same and the denominator are different. Now when the numerator is same and denominator are different, the fraction having the largest denominator will be the smallest. First I write the numerators. This is the numerators are same. 5, 5, 5. The fraction having the largest denominator will be the smallest. Now 9, 6 and 12. 12 is the largest. 12 is the smallest. Now 9 and 6 which is big? 9. 9 is smaller than 6 and last one is 6. So 5 upon 12, 5 upon 9 and 5 upon 6. Now E. Here 7 upon 11, 4 upon 11 and 10 upon 11. Here the denominators are same and numerators are different. So the fraction having the smallest numerator will be the smallest and fraction having the biggest numerator will be the biggest. So we will write the denominator first. Denominators are same. 1, 11, 11, 11. Now 7, 4 and 10. Which is small? Which is smallest? 4. 7 and 10 which is small? 7 and last one 10. Here F. 7 upon 11, 7 upon 13 and 7 upon 15. Here the denominators are different and the fraction having the largest denominator will be the smallest and the fraction having the smallest denominator will be the biggest. Yeah, we know the numerators 7, 7 and 7 here. Now 11, 13 and 15. Which is the biggest? 15. This is the smallest. And 7 upon 15 is the smallest fraction. And 11 and 13 which is big? 13. 13 and last one is 11. This way we write the fraction in ascending order. Now we come to question number 6. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means from big to small. Now, here 4 upon 5, 1 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is given. Yeah. So when the denominators are same and the numerators are different, the biggest numerator will be the biggest fraction. So we write the denominators first. We know that the denominators are same. Now 4, 1 and 3, which is big? 4. Now 1 and 3, 3 and last one is 1. So 4 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Now look at this B. Now 2 upon 9, 2 upon 11 and 2 upon 7. Here the numerators are same but the denominators are different. Now we know the numerators. We write the numerators first. 2, 2, 2. So when the denominators are different, the fraction having the smallest numerator is the smallest denominator. The fraction having the smallest denominator is the biggest. Now smallest denominator is 9, 11 and 7. Which is smallest? 7. This is the biggest. And 9 and 11 which is small? 9. And last one comes 11. So 2 upon 7, 2 upon 9 and 2 upon 11. Here 5 upon 16, 5 upon 11 and 5 upon 6. Here the numerators are same and the denominators are different. So the fraction having the smallest denominator is the biggest. Now look here. We know the numerators. We write the numerators first. 5, 5, 5. Now 16, 11 and 6. Which is the smallest? 6. 16 and 11 which is small? 11 and last one is 16. So when you write in descending order, it will be 5 upon 6, 5 upon 11 and 5 upon 16. Now look at D. 9 upon 11, 6 upon 11 and 3 upon 11. Here the denominators are same but the numerators are different. So the fraction having the biggest numerator will be the biggest fraction. So yeah, denominators are same. 11, 11, 11. Now which is the biggest number? 9, 6 and 3. Which is big? 9. Then 6 and 3, 6 and last one is 3. 9 upon 11, when you write it descending order, 9 upon 11, 6 upon 11 and 3 upon 11. Now E. 7 upon 13, 7 upon 8 and 7 upon 25. Here the numerators are same but the denominators are different. So the fraction having the smallest denominator is the biggest. Now we know the numerator. Write the numerators first. Numerators are same. 7, 7, 7. Now 3, 8 and 25. Which is the smallest? 8. 7 upon 8 is the biggest fraction. Now 13 and 25 which is small? 13. And last one is 25. When you write it descending order, it comes 7 upon 8, 7 upon 13 and 7 upon 25. Now F. Now 2 upon 14, 9 upon 14 and 7 upon 14. Here what is same? The denominators are same but the numerators are different. Now we write the denominators 1, 2 and 3. 14, 14, 14. When the denominators are same and the fraction having the biggest numerator will be the biggest fraction. So 2, 9 and 7 which is big? 9. 9. And 2 and 7, 7 and last one is 2. So descending order 9 upon 14, 7 upon 14 and 2 upon 14. So this way you write the fraction in descending order.